Alright friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how we can connect to our MySQL server without manually entering username and password. So let me show you what I mean. So we'll be using MySQL command. So MySQL, and if I hit enter, then this is showing that access denied for this specific user, right? So if I want to connect to the MySQL server manually by entering username and password, then we can simply do MySQL with the username of root and the password. Let me enter the password and it got connected, right? So in this video I will show you how we can connect to this server without manually entering username and password by just entering MySQL and pressing the enter, right? So let's get started. So for this we'll be using MySQL config editor command. So MySQL config editor, and if I do help on this, and it is showing that we can use the set command to set name, password, hostname, and socket and specific port as well. So we'll be using the set command. So let me do set and then help on it. And while using the set command, we can set these specific options like host, login path, username, and then port and the socket and this warning, right? So let's use this set command, and we want to set the login path option to client, and it is by default as client as well. And for the host name we'll be using localhost, and for MySQL user we'll be using root, and for the password let me enter the password now, and it got created, right? So to see if it got created, then we can simply do MySQL config editor and we can print. If we just do print, then it will just print this default login path. If we do all, then it will print other group as well. So let me do all and then enter, and it is saying that it got created, and the group name is client, and these options for the username is root, password is I have entered the password, and the host name is localhost, right? So now if you want to connect to another MySQL server with different host name, different password, and different user, then you can create another group similarly like this one. Okay, so now if I do MySQL and press the enter, then I got connected to the MySQL server easily without manually entering username and password, right? So see how cool this is, and from here we can run our SQL queries. So let me do create database, and database name, let's say global, and database got created. So this much for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as I will be uploading the videos like this. So till then, have a great time, and I will see you on the next one.